Say hi. Say hi. That's you and me right now. Bryce, you get in here too?
What are you looking at, punk?
What are you looking at, punk?
Let's see that. Let's watch it.
Chaser, you a good boy?
What
Bryce,
are you talking about?
Bryce, you a good boy too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. What's he telling you? You just like looking at yourself. It's like a mirror, isn't it? Say, oh, look how handsome I am. Ooh, hi, hello. Cookies. Cookies are good. So get off me, Bryce.
What are you talking about? Huh?